This is a quick guide to using the CMSi web recording tool. This tool allows you to view your personal work plan and record work you have completed. Once you are logged in, you will see 3 tabs. Add work is where you record any tasks that have been completed or record any unscheduled work. Work summary just shows a list of any work you have entered into the add work form. Here's a few examples here. And reports is where you go to view your work plan. So we'll start off in the reports tab. There's only one option in the select a report drop down menu, so you don't need to select anything here. Just click on open report in new window. Your new work plan should then appear in a new window, which I'll just expand here. Now, if nothing happens the first time you do this, it will be because your pop-ups have been blocked. So there should be an icon, probably in the top right of your screen, and if you click that, you can allow pop-ups for this website. So here is an example work plan, and it shows a list of tasks that you've been allocated for this financial year. The tasks are arranged by reserve, and they also show the dates between which the task should be carried out, the priority of the task, 1 meaning it's essential and 2 meaning it's highly desirable, the plan time, which is the number of days the reserve manager originally applied for in the budget, the allocated time, which is the number of days that were actually allocated in the budget, the actual time, which is the number of days spent on the task so far, the total cost of materials for the task, the cost centre, and the project tags. These are for if the project is externally funded. So this is quite a long list here of the tasks to be carried out this year. And if you want to narrow this down a bit, for example, you wanted to maybe just look at the tasks for a specific reserve, you can do that using the filter. So if you go up to the top left, there's an icon called Hide Show Sidebar. Click on that. Then you have a list of all the reserves. So you can select the one you'd like to look at. I'll select Balagan Glen. If you want to select more than one reserve, you can. You just press Control and then click on the second reserve. I'll choose Karen Glen. So say I want to know what tasks I have to do on these reserves before the end of August. I'll put in today's date. And then the end of August. And then select View Report. So here's the list for Balagan Glen and Karen Glen. So I've got 2 tasks to carry out on Balagan Glen by the end of August and 1 task to carry out on Karen Glen. Now if you wanted to save this report or print it, go up to select a format, choose the format you'd like to save it in. I'll choose a Word document, then click on Export. So then you can save that wherever you like. You can also email the report. If you click on this email icon, which looks like an envelope, just fill out the boxes and click Send. Also, if you'd like to now go back to your original list of tasks, the easiest way to do this is just to come out of this window and click on Open Report in New Window again. So there's the original list of tasks for the financial year. Another way of doing that would be to select all the reserves and the full financial year in your filter, but that's a bit more time consuming. So that's everything you really need to use the Reports tab for. If you have any problems with this, just contact your reserve manager, or alternatively contact the data team.